All right, y'all. I've been waiting for this package for a while. I'm really excited to open this up. This is from G&BPro. Oh yeah, that's a big box. G&BPro. Yeah, this took a little while to get here. I ordered this earlier this week, and it's finally here. So let's open this up and see what's inside, shall we?
It's the best time of my life.
Man, this feels amazing. Swear there's no replacement.
This the best time of my life.
My family keep me grounded and my God, it keep me stable.
Don't worry, I'll cool care it later. All right. Ooh, this thing's massive. And here it is. I got the new G&BPro roller LED bag. I specifically got this big one because I needed to fit all of my stuff for school in it. All of my clippers, trimmers, sprays, my pool cares, my got-to-be brushes and combs and blow dryer and flat irons and all that stuff. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty big bag. It does have this pull up. I'm not even sure how to use this yet. Here we go. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Oh yeah, beautiful. So here we have the mirror. It's right there on the top. It is removable. Bam. LED, and this is a LED. Look at that. Nice, bright. Look at you, beautiful. Oh, in different colors. Check that out. Nice. And this does have a little kickstand on it, which is really nice. So if you want to set this up somewhere on a table or something, you could do that. Pretty nice. I love that. I love the fact that it has Velcro so it can stick to here. I'm gonna take it out for a minute so we can look on the inside. All right, so here is the main top pouch. As you can see, it's just loose, and you just replace that right there. Got a zipper here. Couple spots for my shears, thinning shears. I like that. Also a zipper here to add some more items right there. And then you have your drawing pencils, or excuse me, your enhancement pencils, things like that. All right, and then as you can see, there's these straps here that hold it up. Bam. Look at that. Are you happy with your G&BPro experience? Well, we'll see. Looks like here is a charge. This is probably to charge the LED. And then looks like there's a divider here. Bam and bam. Hey, look how deep that goes. I mean, this thing is deep.
Pause.
So I can fit my blow dryers and everything in here. I'm gonna put some stuff in here. These dividers come off actually too, you can kind of customize them how you want. So this is the janky bag that my barber school gave us. So here's my spray bottle. This is actually a pretty large spray bottle. This one is considered a large, but as you can see, much bigger. So let's see what that looks like. Bam, fits right in there. All right, so I can actually take this out of here and we can put our shears up here where the shears go. Actually, I think the shears would go here as opposed to there. Bam. Nice. My thinning shears in there. Although I like my little Olivia garden pouch, I'd rather have everything in this one location. My Shall Prosper curve shears. Go ahead and put my Shall Prosper clutch razor holder in there. We have my wall guard system here. We'll have to figure that out in a minute. Cool care got to be. So then we got our Tune 45 shave gel, creams. There's our aftershave. There we go. Yeah. Fits in there nice and snug actually, which is great for traveling. I don't have to worry about it moving around too much, you know. Alright, next strips. These can go here. Like that. I'm putting guards here. Extra creams and stuff there. Damn, my other guards. Rhino comb. Combs can go here. Fade comb. Loose combs. Fade comb. Clutch car. Clutch car can go on there. Clutch can go on there. Fade brush can go there. These are my razors. I can put these in here. Like this one, bro, that can go on there. These are just oils and stuff. Here's my diffuser. I will use that. That'll go with my blow dryer. Not sure how to neatly fold this, so I'm just kind of winging it. I can just kind of set that in there. And yeah, it just sets in there like that. And then I can just close it like that if I want to, or I can take this back off, throw it on top of here. Let's take this off of here. And I can just pop that back on the Velcro. Go ahead and lock this back in place. All right, so let's close this up now with all this stuff in there. This is my only worry, like this is glass, you know what I mean? Like it's leaning against some of this harder stuff. I'm actually gonna keep this just because I'm scared that I'm gonna scratch this up and mess it all up. Just to be safer, I'm gonna switch this around. So this right here, I didn't realize these were here. There's these little side pouches that have these dividers in them, which is really nice. And it's meant for like bigger bottles and things like that. There's also this side pouch as well that has a divider. So I'm going to utilize these so that this isn't so bulky. All right, so I got some gloves that can just kind of go in this side pocket. Oh yeah, this can definitely go in there. Clips. There we go. That's the culprit. That charger. Okay, let's see what that looks like now. There's also a back pocket here too. There's a lot of pockets, so you can always move stuff around, disperse things a little bit better so it's not so tight in here, because the last thing I want to do is break this mirror. As you can see, there it is. Let me rip this off of here. Oh, there it is. It was hiding under the plastic. That's why I couldn't tell. There it is. G&BPro roller bag. So this is my old bag. Look at that. And the weight is good. It's not like leaning forward or nothing. It's even, you can even roll it like this. I love it. It's very comfortable. And then when I'm ready to set it up somewhere, I can just close that down, lift this up, pop it like that. Lift her up, and we're in business. And we are in business, baby. Easy. I love it. Can't wait to use this. Definitely going to be using it in barber school, so I can carry my stuff back and forth from my car and all that. So shout out to G&BPro. Amazing product. I love it so far. Can't wait to use it in action. I'll be putting this video up and tagging them. Make sure you guys go follow them on all platforms, Instagram especially. They're always having good specials and discounts and things like that. So check them out. This is the new roller LED bag. Let's go. Peace.
It's the best time of my life.
Man, this feels amazing. Swear there's no replacement.
This the best time of my life.
My family keep me grounded and my God, it keep me stable.